Hi gorgies, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well and you're having a beautiful weekend. To all the new visitors, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up for this video if you like it, and do comment down below and let me know how this look suits me, because this is way out of my comfort zone, guys. I even have a whole thing going on at work. I told them that on Sunday I was gonna come in looking rather not me or different, so everyone is literally waiting to find out what this look will be. I hope you guys will like it, and I hope it won't be a bummer, because hey, I'm getting stressed just thinking about it. Anyway, let's jump straight into it, and I hope you guys enjoy. So today I'm reviewing this hair. So I got this from African Dubai Salon. As you can see, the knots have already been bleached, I think. Yeah. And it's a frontal. It's pre-plucked and it's 14 inches. This is 613 hair. So it's gonna be quite interesting to have this on my head. This was inspired by TaylorMade Jane. I'm gonna insert her picture somewhere here. This look was inspired by her because I saw one of her videos. Well, I watch all of her videos, but in the one video that I saw at that time, she had this hair on and it just looked so beautiful. I was just like, I need to try it for myself and see if it would suit me or if I would like it. So here we are, making my dreams come true. So when you're laying a new wig, you first wanna see exactly where it will lie in terms of the circumference of your head or your hairline or whatever. And you just want to cut any extra lace that is there. And as you can see, this wig was pre-plucked a little bit, not too much, because I can see some difference, but like it's not a lot. So I'm gonna have to do my own customization as well. Hey guys, I'm pretty sure once I put makeup on, this will look really good. But the problem is, like, when you go to work, when I go to work, I don't put on that much makeup. So if I have this hair, I'm constantly gonna be like having a full face beat. And that's just, I don't know. So anyway, the hair fits perfectly, the wig fits perfectly around my head. So I don't have to do much cutting. I will just be cutting the lace as usual. Ooh, the things we do for this content, sis. The things we do. Doesn't look half bad though. Okay, let's get to cutting. So you guys know my method of cutting. I cut in a zigzag motion, and you don't want to cut too close to the hair. You want to keep a little bit of distance. I really can't cut it properly on camera. I'm done cutting the wig. Guys, this top is just not staying where it should be. I'm done cutting the wig, and you can see here that I've left a little bit of space between where the actual hairline is and where the hair is. So that's what you want. That's the kind of progression you want from your wigs. I am now going to put on my cap. I'm not sure how much you guys know about how to lay your wigs, but there's obviously different methods. There's the bold stocking method, where you put on the stocking like this and you put on your got to be, and your got to be will literally just like make it all lie flat, and then you will cut around the actual lace. I won't be doing that today because I just want to keep this wig on till tomorrow and it comes off. I just want to go to the office with it, because I have this thing with my teammates that I told them about, but I just want to keep it on till then. and then afterwards I will take it off and go back to normal color hair. But I really want to try all different colors of hair. I want to go green, I want to go blue, I want to do the most when it comes to hair on this channel, so keep a lookout because this is only the beginning. Right, and then what we're gonna do is put on the wig. The hair is actually very soft, guys. It has almost like a doll-like looking finish, which I'm not sure about. And it came with a smell, you know, when you have like your new Barbie doll, that smell. So I did wash it first just to take that out. But otherwise the quality seems great. There's a lot of shedding though. It keeps like falling out. But yeah, other than that, I think it's cool. I got it from African Dubai Salon. I'll put her Instagram handle down below. First things first, you want to ensure you have a clean surface to work on. So I'm using my nail polish remover. As I said before, nail polish remover contains alcohol, and alcohol is the best way to sterilize or clean something. So I'm going to use that on the circumference of my hairline to make sure that it is clean, so that the hair can lie much better or easier. We'll be going in with our got to be glued spiking glue. Got my hair dryer. You want it to be on the cold air setting. And when it starts getting tacky, that's when you want to put in your second coat. I'm going to put on a second coat because I need it to like lie perfectly. So I'm not going in with too much for my second coat. And now what I will do is use my got to be glued blasting free spray. Just want to shake it a little bit, and then you want to spray it directly on top of that glue. Then back to your hair dryer until you feel that it is tacky and it is literally lifting off of your finger. Okay, the glue is ready. I'm going to use my comb to help me just make sure I'm laying everything in the right places. Want to remove the hair from my face. So now that it's finally well laid, I guess, I'm just trimming the sideburns there to make them a little bit shorter. There we go. Now for the styling part of this video. So right now I'm looking to give the hair a bit of a wave. I am using my Remington silk hair wand. Okay, so I've got a nice little wave going there. Now for the final look. And here it is, ladies. This is the final look. I am absolutely loving this hair now that I've got my makeup on. It actually looks really nice. I don't think the color is showing that nice on camera, but damn, it's poppin', babes, poppin'. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below with any of your questions about this look. Well, until next time, see you in my next video, gorgies. Love you.